My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Kia Sportage. This vehicle has done just over 62,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On the first page of our screen, we can access our key features, which include phone projection, media, navigation and smartphone integration. On the second, we have my menu and our user manual. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC with heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel. If we press our drive mode button, we can activate sport mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.